falling slowly, eyes that know me, and I can't go back, and moves that take me and erase me, and I paint it black. Will you